everyone, welcome back. A few weeks ago I posted a video where I don't even remember what it was, but I posted a video. I was making some broccoli for something. It was an add-in to something. It's probably a pasta dish because, you know, that's what I like to do. But I sauteed my broccoli first before I added it in there. I think it was a pasta dish. I don't remember. But anyway, I sauteed my broccoli first before I put it in there because I didn't want to steam it. I didn't want to roast it. And it turned out absolutely amazing. So that was so good. That broccoli was so good the way that I cooked it. I kind of stumbled onto that. So I think it is so worthy of its own platform, its own recipe video. It was absolutely phenomenal. It was so full of flavor. And I'm going to make some today because I want some more. I bought me another head of broccoli and I'm going to show you how to make it. So simple, so easy, and there are so many add-ons, you know, so many different things that you could throw in there to make it a meal if you wanted to do a meal instead of as a side dish. Don't get me wrong, I love roasted broccoli, I love roasted vegetables, but I tell you what, this was out of this world. Let's get started. This little piece of broccoli, I don't even think this is a whole head. Look at that. $4.53. Can you believe that? It's ridiculous, I tell you. I guess there's a shortage on broccoli now, you know, like there's a shortage on everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get this cut up and then I'm going to wash it. I'm going to show you how I'm going to cut it first. Super simple and easy. Gotta find my colander. So I'm just gonna cut the big stem off there. Lord. And then I'm just gonna take my broccoli. I'm gonna cut some more of that stem off there. And just cut it in nice bite-sized florets. I had to filter through some of that garlic, go through it, because I'm telling you, some of it did not look good. I need to buy some more. Get that bad piece off. All right, actually, I'm just gonna kind of slice this. I mean, if you want to mince it up, you go right ahead, but that's a big piece. I like little bites of garlic in with mine. So I'm just gonna do like little slivers. We're gonna start off by adding about 2 tablespoons, tablespoon and a half of butter in my little pan there. We're also gonna add some olive oil. This is gonna be a saute / steam type method. Toss in your garlic. That way the oil and the butter can be becoming infused with that garlic flavor already. You want that garlic to soften just a little bit. Get some of the rawness cooked out of it. Go ahead and throw your broccoli in. Why am I notorious for cooking in pans that are too small? I love this little pan. It's one of my favorite little go-to pans. Go ahead and add some black pepper. This is onion powder. Just season to taste. That's all you do, season to taste. Now just a pinch of salt. Not a whole lot, and I'm going to tell you why. We're going to add a little bit of water to this, maybe about a half a cup. By the time that goes out of there, it's going to be perfectly done. And then I've got a little bit of a bouillon here, chicken bouillon. This is probably about 1/3 of one of those bouillon cubes. And I put it just right in that water. If you have the crystals or the powdery kind, just go ahead and add about I don't know, about 1/4 teaspoon of that. This all depends on how much you make. See, it's going to melt in there. And then I'm going to place my lid on it and let it cook until that broccoli is nice and perfect and fork tender. Look how beautiful that is. We're going to top it with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Just a little bit. Just enough to create another delicious layer of flavor. Act on it for just another minute. And voila. Now tell me how amazing that looks. Go ahead. Go ahead. Tell me. Literally cooked it for about 3 or 4 minutes on top of the stove with the lid on. Steamed it after I sauteed it. Let all those flavors marry together. Stirred it maybe once or twice. Removed the lid. Added just a little dusting of fresh Parmesan cheese. Just for that little extra goodness. You know what I'm talking about. Mmm. There is so much flavor in that. I kid you not. So much flavor. Mmm. Let me tell you something. I am so glad that I'm the only one home right now. I could eat this whole little skillet. It's good for you. It's good for you. So don't come at me. It's good for you. One more bite. So amazing. If you wanted to make this a complete meal, you could throw in a little bit of thinly sliced steak in the beginning before you started with your, before you ended with your broccoli, some chicken, some shrimp, pork, anything you want to do to make this a complete meal. A little bit of protein would be perfect. I love it. I hope you love it. And you know what else I love? I love you. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye. Take care.